part is characteristics and location of image formation for convex lens. The first one, when the object is at infinity, where the image formation take place. Now you can see in the diagram, when the object is at infinity, parallel rays of light will travel towards the convex lens. So when parallel rays of light are moving towards the convex lens, after refraction, these rays will meet at a point that is called focus. So the image will form at focus. Now what is the nature of this image? The image is at focus, it is a real image, highly diminished and inverted. So this is the first image formation of the object. And the second one, when the object is beyond 2f. When the object is beyond 2f, you can see in the diagram. Now we have to follow the rules or ray diagram, construction for ray diagram. First ray is the ray of light passes through optic center according to the first rule. So I have drawn, see in the diagram, it is drawn that the black color ray of light which is passing through optic center and it will pass without bending. Then the second ray of light, parallel ray of light which is passing through convex lens, after refraction passes through focus. This is the second rule that we have to follow. Very important thing in drawing this ray diagram is distance between OF1 and F1 to F1 should be same. So preferably you take the distance as 4 centimeter while constructing the ray diagram, 4 or 4.5 centimeter. So OF1, if it is 4 centimeter, then O2F1 will be 8 centimeter. Same thing you have to do for right side. Now, what is the nature of the image of this ray diagram? The image is between F and 2F. It is real image. It is small in size and inverted. So the image will be between F and 2F. It is real image, small in size as well as inverted. Then the third ray diagram, when the object is on 2F, where the image formation take place. See in the diagram, when the object is on 2F, as we have to follow the rules to draw ray diagram, the first ray we have to make it to pass through optic center and it passes without bending. Second is parallel ray of light after refraction through convex lens passes through focus, and where this ray of light passing through focus and the ray of light passing through optic center meeting, their image is formed. So image is formed at 2F. It is of same size as that of object, it is real image and inverted.